Nimitzchicahua imeme. Hi everyone. Just wanted to take the time to talk about the Jaisco Nahuatl language revitalization, teaching, learning, and how this all started. I will be showing you some visuals, and everything that I talk about, you'll see all the links below. So a little bit about the background. The origins started around 2021, and it was through pláticas or talks with Chris Queltley, el compa Chris, y from there, we started, having a conversation for those that were interested. So building that community through that same goal of reviving the language, right? So let me show you some visuals. Again, you'll see all the links at the bottom. So started with some of the pláticas or talks. This was in 2021, the Chris. And then the year after in 2022, I also interviewed him. And these were pláticas between ourselves. He was asking me about the work that I've been doing with Nahuatl. And he was working on a grammar book, right? Grammar book. And, this is the whole team as well. It's a collective. So Chris as the main leader here. We added to the Spanish, the English version as well. So you'll find the links to those books at the bottom as well. Come on. And then that was 2023. And 2024 came the dictionary as well. So then after that same year, 2023, is when we started the plan for the classes, planning the classes, what we were going to use to teach, planning the behavior of the students, what kind of students we were going to have, right? So that's why when students sign up, when you want to sign up to one of our classes, we ask you questions, what's your name? How do you identify? Depending on the teacher as well. Where are you from? Why you want to learn now what? So just to get a feel of what our students will be. So these are ongoing, year-round, and each teacher has their own schedule. So in our second year of those classes, we also had a conference or colloquium at the Universidad de Guadalajara. So this was in September. So it was myself, Chris, other experts, Ricardo Garcia, and other teachers that didn't necessarily have to do with teaching or linguistics, but also history, anthropology. And from there, we also were part of a book that was created with all the people that presented at the colloquium, so this will be available soon. And, we also have free classes, free events sometimes. So if you do want to sign up to those, go ahead and sign up to our email list. We do an update through this list, anything to do with our classes, right? When the courses are going to start, again, it's all year round. Some events that I receive that have to do with Mesoamerican languages. And I also share that as well, right? So Mesoamerica, we talk about, as opposed to using the word pre-Hispanic, we're talking about this area here, right? And it includes parts of Mexico and Central America. And also our other compañero from the collective, there's Donald Pawali, that they do daily lessons, written lessons. So we also provide accessible lessons to the public, to anyone that wants to learn. Right, so this is the variant that we teach. This is the variant we will continue to teach. The courses are in English instruction, with Spanish also being part of it as well, because that's my first language. So I co-switch as well. And some of those words that, a lot of people don't think about that are Nahuatl, that come from Mexican Spanish, are actually Nahuatl. So for example, the people from Guadalajara, they call them Tapatio, right? Tapatio. And that comes from a Nahuatl word, which means change, right? Tlapatillo, cambio, or feria. And that's very symbolic of that area in Guadalajara where it was commercial, a lot of markets. So that's that what you call in Spanish gentilicio stuck there, what you call the local people there, right? So let me see if there's anything else that I'm missing, because I did create that list, and you'll see the list at the bottom. Give me one moment. Yeah, that's about it. Thank you all, if you got this far, for listening, and hopefully we'll see you one of our classes. Timoitaske.